In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to guide your Mail to links to open directly in Gmail. This is a handy skill, especially for those of you who frequently click on email links but prefer managing your emails in Gmail rather than any other default email client that you might have on your computer. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google Search. Once you're there, in the search bar, type in "How to get mail to links to open in Gmail." You should see a page with various results, typically tips or guides about configuring your email link preferences. These searches are generally straightforward, providing you the necessary steps to streamline mail-to-link behavior. Next, let's focus on the browser settings. For those using Google Chrome, navigate to your browser's menu, which is indicated by 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner. Click on that and scroll down to Settings. You'll find a series of options here, but don't feel overwhelmed. It's easier than it looks. Within the Settings menu, look for Privacy and Security. This is where you can adjust various components of your browsing experience. Now, within Privacy and Security, seek out Site Settings. Once you open this, scroll until you find the section titled Handlers. Handlers are essentially the settings that tell your browser how to manage certain link types like mail to links. Click on Handlers, and here's where the magic happens. You'll see options usually displayed as a toggle or checkbox asking if you want to allow sites to ask to become default handlers for protocols. This needs to be turned on. By enabling this, your browser can be notified when websites, like Gmail, offer to manage email links. For those using Gmail, it's pretty simple from here. Open Gmail in your browser in a new tab or window. If you haven't set Gmail as the default handler before, you'll likely see a gray diamond-shaped icon in the right part of the address bar next to the star and bookmark symbols. Click on it, and it'll prompt a question asking if you'd like Gmail to open all email links. Confirm that you do, and just like that, your Mail to links should now open in Gmail. If you don't see the icon or get no prompt, don't worry. Sometimes settings can be a bit elusive. In that case, a quick browser refresh or restart might do the trick. You can also revisit those handler settings we talked about earlier, just to make sure everything's in tip-top shape. In case you're using a different browser, like Firefox, rest assured the steps are quite similar. Just look for the equivalent settings. Often they're under Preferences or Options, then Applications or General. Always keep an eye out for instructions specific to your browser version. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've got your Mail to links set flawlessly to open in Gmail, making your email management as efficient as possible. Happy emailing, and stay tuned for more practical tech tips.